Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. This is one of my holiday videos. Sorry if I'm a bit the worse for wear. I've been camping in the field for a week. Anyway, I'm in East Sussex and I've come to Aldeburgh and I'm here in the Church of St Peter and Paul's and have discovered some rather beautiful windows. Well, obviously it's not my discovery, but I just didn't know they were here, so it was a lovely surprise. They're John Piper windows, most famous for his windows at Coventry Cathedral. I haven't actually been there, it is on my list, but apparently they're spectacular in real life. So I'm just going to do a little video of these so you can all enjoy them the way I'm enjoying them now. These three windows are dedicated to Benjamin Britten. Benjamin Britten wrote a new style of opera called Parables for Church Performance. The window on the left is the Prodigal Son. The window on the right are the fiery furnaces from Daniel, and in the middle is a setting from a Japanese opera called Curlew River. So here are the three windows together. Wonderful colours, very typical. So this window on the left is the Prodigal Son, and I'm just going to focus in, I'm hoping it will do it justice, on the beautiful colour work, the orange, purple and red and pink together. I just think is a particularly nice combination. We can see the very kind of painterly, almost watercolour effect he's got with the way he's treated the glass. Now I'm not sure how he's achieved this. I'm not sure how much of it is acid etching and how much of it is painted work, but it's beautiful. And actually, if I stand back again, what he really loved to do was work in a limited palette and have flat planes of colour, and he was very influenced by early medieval work. And of course at Canterbury Cathedral his work is all abstract, so here it's not abstract, but it's still quite abstracted in a way. Now I'm not sure whether you can see in detail the dove. I'm going to try and focus in. I can't tell how he's got that effect. It's quite strange really. It's very different to the glass around it. So if anyone knows more about the techniques he's used here, do let me know. I love the way the three chaps in the fire look so at peace because they have faith that God will save them. So there we go. Lesson for us all. But they flood the church with beautiful light, these windows, and they do actually fit in very nicely into the setting, even though the rest of the church is really quite traditional. So, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the windows as much as I have. What a glorious riot of colour. So yes, I will go about my holiday business. I will go and sit by the sea and read my book. Enjoy the rest of your summer, everybody. Thank you for watching.